All right, right now I'm going to show you how to use Playback for birding in an intentional and responsible way in the tropical rainforest here in Ecuador, highly biodiverse area at a research station called Sumat Kausai in situ. So yesterday I used the voice memo app on my phone to record the sound of a bird that I was not able to identify. The really easy and sort of passive way to try to learn bird sounds is as you hear them in the field, just to go into the Merlin app and explore birds and just go through birds listening to their vocalizations. This takes a really long time and it's also very passive. So better is to make a recording using voice memos. Once you do this, there's several options of what you can do. You can, in that same moment that you hear the bird, play back the sound and try to get the bird to respond or come closer where you can get visuals of it. So for example, there's a lot of birds that you hear and you do not see. That's the whole reason why birding by ear is so important in the tropical rainforest. So I heard one yesterday and I recorded it here. I tried to use words to describe it. So I said ascending tremolo. And I think I had one idea of what I thought it could be. But last night I shared this recording with a friend and he suggested that it is maybe the blackish antbird. Here is the recording. So you can hear that it's ascending and that the rhythm is speeding up. So I think I might have just heard the bird right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go now into Merlin. I'm gonna find that blackish antbird that my friend recommended. I'm gonna go to the songs and I'm gonna play them relatively loudly. I don't have a Bluetooth speaker, but a lot of people use Bluetooth speakers for this type of playback. Oh. Just saw a pigeon fly in. Oh, where'd it go? All right, so obviously birding can be very distracting. So now I'm gonna play this and see if I can get that bird to respond. So I played it, now I'm just gonna wait. A loud frog just started singing. But I don't hear this bird. I'm gonna try playing the duet. In this case, the bird has multiple songs, a duet and calls. Oh, listen to that. Did you hear that? Uh-oh, now I'm hearing multiple things. This might not just be an easy solution. So try to be patient, and having a note-taking system is also going to really help, because sometimes just holding this all in your head and in the applications doesn't help you process. So having a note-taking system like nature journaling would be really helpful here. So I'm going to just play this a couple more times, see if anything comes closer, listen, make some notes, and then that's it. I'm not going to keep playing this for too long because you don't want to desensitize the animals to the sounds, but there's also the potential for causing stress and confusing them, especially if you're doing the same species over and over again. So I'm going to try again from the female song here. I'm going to pause it and just wait. The other really important thing when using playback is to look around. Some birds respond to calls by flying in close, sometimes right away. So be prepared for that. They might not vocalize as they fly in close. So I'm not getting any responses right now from this playback of the blackish antbird. I'm going to make a note of that. And that it just shows you how you can use the eBird app and how you can also use voice memos on your phone. Those two applications plus a note-taking system. Oh, there goes another. Oh, wait, maybe that's it. Okay, last try here. Nope, that's definitely not it. Okay, so that's how you use playback when birding in the tropical rainforest.